Tesla 365 coming back at you. For anybody who may be buying a Model S or a X that has the adjustable suspension, I just want to recommend this. The first week or two that you get the car, to ride around in suspension mode and changing it to where you want it to be high. And when you do that, it'll come up with this, which is persist until 35 miles an hour and auto raise at this location. So I had it auto raise back there by the speed bumps. And now I am having, once I hit 35 miles an hour, you'll see. Let's see if I get both of those things in the, I should be able to if I don't go off the road. Boom, we should be lowering the suspension. And it did. Exactly at 35 miles an hour, which is amazing. Car's really cool. That was just a little thing, maybe a quick thing. That's how I would start. You know, your first week or two, this way you know all the spots that you want to raise the car. And then you either want to select, you know, until 35 miles an hour. I mean, if it's just one spot you got to raise it, don't select that. Once you get over it, you go back down to low mode, you'll get the best economy in the car as far as drag and battery usage, which, you know, would be ideal, especially if you're trying to save energy. But all right, thank you. There's a little snippet right there. Please subscribe, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment, that's what I meant to say. Please comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That'd be dope. Thank you. Bye-bye.